Hey, VA Nation, Jeff Noon here with National VA Loans. Today we're going to talk about the market, number one, but a few tips and tricks to maneuver through this market. I know price is high, rates high. It's not a great combination for a veteran or for an active duty service member out there, but I've got a few tips and tricks for you. So let's take a look at it and let's get after it. All right, my first tip and my first trick. I know that it's crazy right now at the market. Prices are still high, interest rates are high. And by the way, supply is way low. The people that have the 3% and 3.5% interest rates, they're not selling their house unless they have to. And so therefore, there's not a lot of new houses coming in. The new houses that are being built, they're five, six, $700,000, and a lot of times out of price range, coupled with the high interest rates. It makes it a little tougher. So one of my biggest tips or tricks that I would employ during this time, especially for veterans and for service members out there, would be the VA renovation loan. Okay. First and foremost, the best part about it, it's still a 100% loan. So you don't have to come out of pocket with a bunch of down payment money in order to do the renovation work. Secondly, you can go into a property that may be a little underpriced because it does need some work, and you can do what you need to it, whether that be new paint, new carpet, new flooring, hell, if you want a new kitchen, remodel it completely. If you want to do some landscaping outside, you can do that. You can do almost anything you want other than getting into, building on an addition and things like that. But don't get me wrong, we do have solutions for that as well. But the VA renovation is one of those loans that is underutilized. And honestly, I thought it would be more utilized during this time because, like I said, property property values are still high, interest rates are high, but the unfortunate is there's no supply. So there's no property out there. Or if there is, it's new builds and they're taking 9 months, or they're way out of your budget because of the interest rates and where they're at. Now, granted, I know the rates are going to come down eventually, and that's just how things work. It's a roller coaster. I've done this for 22 years now, and I've seen it happen all the time. In fact, I really think that we're going to see it next year. I think we're going to see the rates come down a little bit. But that's not the point. The point is right now there's still ways to take advantage of a market, even with low demand, high equity, or high value and higher rates. All right. So the VA renovation is going to be the way that I would suggest everyone jump on board and take a look at these properties. Maybe some properties that you looked at, you drove by, you're like, oh God, that looks awful. I can't do anything with that. You can get a little creative. Start thinking, what could I do? What could I do if I found a house that was my budget's 350,000, but let's say I found a house that was 200,000 and I put $100,000 into it. It's amazing what you can do. I mean, hell, just go watch a DIY or what is it, DIY or do it yourself. I don't know. Go watch one of those shows, and I assure you, you'll get some great ideas. There's some really good ones out there that'll get you a good idea of what you can actually accomplish with these loans. But I promise you that if you go out there and you take a look with a creative eye and you think about it just a little bit, you might be able to find a diamond in the rough, number one, and then make it what you want. Okay. The VA renovation is a great loan for that. There's just not really a better loan for that type of thing. Especially there's no other loan out there that's going to allow you to come out of pocket with $0. All right. Zero money out of pocket on the down payment. You can go into this loan and make the home what you want it. All right. So give one of our VA specialists here a call, 855-956-4040. You guys can always get a hold of us there. Of course, check us out, National VA Loans, and then go subscribe to one of these spots right here for our YouTube channel. And we will make sure that you've got all the up-to-date information for anything veteran and VA loan related. All right, guys. Well, we appreciate it. We appreciate your time. Give us a call, 855-956-4040. Till next time, thank you so much for your service. Keep doing what you do. God bless and take care of yourselves.